This is a video of our our chickens. This one seems to always be like that. I think it's at me. I don't know. This one's Atlas. Right here. I only have two of them named. This one's a big turkey. We have a turkey and a chicken name, but not the rest. And then there's these two. They kind of look like twins, but I don't know. This one too, and this one, and this one. Then here's a really cool one. It kind of looks like a rooster, but it's surprisingly a chicken. This one just keeps cawing. And you are Luna. This one's Luna. That's all the names we got. So, yeah, that's our chicken. It's our chickens. So, yeah.